Hey guys, so this is another video with Omar 3700M and another video in Roblox. So today I'm gonna be playing, what should we play? I'm gonna play a game I never played. You guys could comment below, tell me what kind of games do you guys like to play. Actually, I'm not gonna play on this account, I'll play on my main account, because this account is like a noob account. I will play is for jailbreak, because jailbreak I have the Lamborghini in this account, but on my other ones I don't. On the ones that are like have Robux. So, oh my god. I'm signing in right now. Oh my god. So I think I'm signed in. So yeah, I'm signed in. So this is my actual account. My main one account. This is my main account. So what should we play? We'll just go to the games real quick. Actually, I like this game. I used to, Zombie Rush. I used to play Zombie Rush, but my account got hacked, so I lost all my guns. I was so sad when I got hacked. It was like one of the best accounts I had. And right now on this account it's lagging. I used to have 315 Robux, now I have 0. Then every day I get 15 Robux because I have Builders Club. Then I get 15, then it turns back to 0. So, yeah. So I'm in the game right now. So this is my first time using this kind of screen recorder. So I'll make another video showing us how do you get it. Oh yeah, this is a different one. I know this one. I know this one. I already played it. That's why I have like 370 kills and 74, and I have like a lot of cash. Yes. So as you guys don't know, you guys should play this and tag zombie. It's like Zombie Rush but better. Kind of hard to play with the laptop, but it's much better to play with like a big computer. So at the end they give you like a big zombie if you finish. Right now we have to do 7, we have to go 7 waves up so we can get to the boss. Oh, it almost hit me. I hit the tank vampires. They're strong. What is this? Oh yeah, I forgot. It's a sword. I love this game. I love to play this game. Oh my god. Is there any zombies behind me? Oh shit. For the big ones, I like to go like this. It's just easier. So we have to kill 46 people to get to the new boss, to the new wave. Then the boss is after 6 waves. Oh my god, I hate when my computer glitches. Pretty easy if you get used to it, if you play a lot. It's basically like Zombie Rush, but it's different. Kind of better. For this one, you don't need to get like kills to get guns. You just buy them. You can buy them, or you can unlock them by killing a lot. So anyway, but the best way is you can buy a lot of stuff with the money you get. I hate when my computer like just lags. You just lose your health. Wait, am I the only one left? Oh, good. So as you guys, every time you get a new wave, like other people join, because like we passed the level, so other people can join. Wow, I'm level 18. Wow. Cool. Lava zombie? Oh yeah, I remember these. If you kill them and then go next to them, you're gonna be on fire from lava. See? I'm on fire. It's lava now. So I died. So I hope you guys like this. Please subscribe, and remember, I'm trying to hit 100 likes, and follow me. You do anything you want, and hope you guys like this video, which I'm trying to hit 3 likes. That's the like goal in there. But before I leave, I'm gonna buy a gun. It should be a good ending. So I own this, and I can about type 100. I don't know it doesn't, it's lagging, it's not showing me the prices. Wait, I think, oh man. Okay. Okay, it's not working, guys, so hope you guys like this video. And please subscribe number 10 and 100 subscribers, and I'll like all these 3 subscribers. Was it 3 or 2? Yeah, one of those. But please subscribe, please. I really wanna get, even if my videos go up 1 like or 1 subscribers. 1 like means 1 love. 1 subscriber means 1 love. So every time you guys subscribe to me and like it, I'm gonna try to make every day around 7 o'clock. I'm gonna try to make videos, YouTube videos about me playing zombie games or any games. You can just write down in the comments. Bye guys.